English phrases unpacked. Not up to par. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase. Not up to par. This phrase is commonly used, but what does it really mean? Let's unpack this together and make your English even more fluent. Not up to par is an idiomatic expression. It originates from the world of golf, where par is the expected number of strokes to complete a hole. When something is not up to par, it means it doesn't meet the standard or expectations. It's used to describe situations, performances, or products that are considered substandard or unsatisfactory. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. Work performance. His recent work has not been up to par. He's been missing deadlines. 2. Restaurant experience. The food at that new cafe wasn't up to par with their reviews. 3. Health. I'm feeling not up to par today, probably because of the weather. Understanding these examples can help you use the phrase in various contexts effectively. There are several synonyms and variations that convey a similar meaning. Below standard, not up to scratch, not up to the mark, falling short. Using different phrases can enrich your vocabulary and help you express the same idea in diverse ways. Remember, not up to par is a versatile phrase you can use in many contexts where something doesn't meet the expected standards. I hope this explanation helps clarify its usage for you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native speaker. See you in our next video.